Another day, another safety tips. What is lockout/tagout? LOTO stands for lockout/tagout, which is a safety procedure used in various industries to ensure the isolation of hazardous energy sources during maintenance, repair, or servicing of machinery or equipment. The purpose of LOTO is to prevent accidental or unauthorized startup of machinery, which could potentially cause injuries or fatalities. Here's an example to illustrate how LOTO works. Let's say there is a large industrial machine in a manufacturing plant that requires routine maintenance. The machine is powered by electricity and has moving parts that could cause harm if not properly shut down and secured during maintenance. Preparation with permit. The authorized personnel responsible for the maintenance task will gather the necessary tools and equipment, including lockout devices and tags. Notification. The maintenance worker will notify all affected employees and inform them about the maintenance activity and the specific machine that will be shut down. Shutdown. The machine will be turned off using the appropriate controls or switches. This ensures that the power supply to the machine is cut off. Isolation. The energy sources associated with the machine will be isolated. This may involve shutting off electrical breakers, closing valves for gas or steam supply, or blocking pneumatic lines. Lockout. Lockout devices, such as padlocks or hasps, will be applied to the energy isolation points to prevent them from being re-energized. Each authorized maintenance worker will place their personal lock on the devices. Tagout. Tags will be attached to the locked devices to provide additional information about the maintenance activity, including the name of the authorized worker and the expected duration of the lockout. Verification. The maintenance worker will attempt to restart the machine to ensure that it is completely de-energized and incapable of starting up. Maintenance. With the machine securely locked out and tagged out, the maintenance task can be performed safely. The worker can repair or service the equipment without the risk of accidental startup. Completion. Once the maintenance is finished, the maintenance worker will remove their lock and tag, and the machine can be safely restored to its normal operating condition. LOTO procedures vary depending on the industry and specific machinery involved, but the general principles remain the same. LOTO is crucial for protecting workers from hazardous energy sources and ensuring their safety during maintenance operations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more safety-related videos. Like, share and comment.